Today we're going to make Bolognese sauce. Yay! And let's try this thing. Okay? This is so good! Today we're going to make pasta, but I'm going to make the Bolognese sauce first. Bolognese is different because you're going to use this sauce and beef and a lot of spices more. Like this oregano, I have oregano. This is not fresh oregano, but it's really good. And extra virgin olive oil. Honestly, I just woke up and I'm going to the grocery store. And yeah, I'm cooking. So, ignore my face. It's a sleepy face. But you have to work hard. Gambat today! Cut your tomatoes. Yeah, so you got paprika, basil, onion, garlic, and tomato. You need to have like a lot of tomato to make this Bolognese sauce, and a really good amount of extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Yay. Let's cook. First, add the best butter you have. And then your garlic and all of this, and and then the onion. This one. The garlic and the onion goes in to make it fragrance. The paprika goes in, and then the tomato. And then the tomato. Whoa. Oh. Tomato. And cook until it's have an excess water. Cook until they give out some water. Give it a good amount of salt so the water can get out. And a good amount of pepper. So look at that, it's already like a sambal. In Indonesia we call it sambal, but this is not sambal. It's more like Italian sauce. It's called marinara right now. But later we're going to make bolognese. We're going to add beef. And of course this one. We're going to put it aside, okay? What am I cooking? Add the basil and then mix. And then add oregano and then mix. I usually add apple cider vinegar to this, so it's more liquidy and not too salty. Just a little. Okay, set it aside, and I'm gonna cook the beef. And maybe blend them. I buy Wagyu, because this is Wagyu, it's supposed to be cooked really fast. Let's cook it. So this is the beef after, and then you can put your sauce back in. Mix it all up, and then there you go, your Bolognese sauce. You can cook it with everything. Yeah. I like it rough because it's It's better. I like it rough like this. Like it's not blended up. I think it's better like this. Add extra virgin olive oil as well. That's what makes it tasty. Oh, the last drop. So, the bolognese sauce, I didn't blend them, so this is rough. I actually like it rough better than soft, so I like it rough. Yeah.